Today I'm going to do a little walk around of my 2017 YXZ SS SE, primarily because I need to keep my YouTube monetization and I haven't put out any new videos in a while, so hopefully this will work. Anyways, let's get to it. Start at the front. We're running Fireball Racing long travel suspension. It works really well. I really like it. Combination of with the Weller shocks, revalved shocks. As far as YXZs goes, it rides really nicely. Unfortunately, it's no Can-Am or newer Polaris, but for a YXZ, I don't think you can get much better than this. It works really well. Obviously, we're running sand tires, I believe 29s and 30s. So 30-inch paddle tires. Good sized tires, obviously. I'm running because we're putting down a little bit of power. I had Cam at Redline Racing rebuild the engine with lower compression pistons, head studs, Alba cams, ported the head. Gosh, tuned it, and currently right now I believe at 12 or 13 psi it's putting down, gosh, was it, I'm not sure if it's 212 or 220 river horsepower. Regardless, it runs pretty good. I have a DG exhaust on it. I like the look of the two exhaust pipes. You know, from like, I had old naturally aspirated Weller ones when I was running supercharger on it, but these are DG and just decided to keep them. What else we got here? We're running some underglow, you know, front and rear, all that type of stuff, but it's just for the dunes. So just finished putting my MPI roll cage on it. I still need to put the windshield on it. I'm waiting for some fasteners for it. So, but pretty happy with it. It was tight going on like any cage, but had to adjust the doors just a tiny bit by, excuse me, I had to notch these out right here and slide them around. So, but nice and tight now. We're running rugged radios, boost gauge, wideband, push-to-talk radio on the steering wheel. Simpson seats, although they do not have any logos on them. Yes, you can order them that way. Seat heaters. What else? What else? You know, I think that's primarily it. But I hope you guys like this video, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to post them down below. And as always, like and subscribe.